Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Keychron M6 wireless mouse available on white color and black. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. The cable with a length 1.5 meters. Type C to Type C. Gold, I like that, gold color. It is so lightweight, the cable. Definitely it helps if you choose to connect your mouse with the cable at your PC, laptop, wherever you want. We have two types of receivers in the box. The smallest, Type C 2.4 GHz, and the Type A 2.4 GHz receiver. You can pick either of them, plug it in and play instantly. Now if you want to use the Type C receiver and you don't have a Type C port, you can use the adapter from Type A to Type C. Or if you want to use the cable with one of these receivers, let's say Type C to Type C, and then plug in the Type A. And then the Type C at the Type C port of your laptop or PC. Or the other option, if you wish again to use the Type C receiver with a cable, unplug the Type A, plug the adapter, and then the Type C. So that's how you can use the Type C receiver with a cable. So many options, it is your choice, directly or with a cable. And of course you can use the cable to charge the mouse. Type C port, plug it in and charge the mouse. One of the most important features is that the mouse is rechargeable. No need to replace batteries. It can last up to 80 hours on a single charge. I like it. It is lightweight at 78 grams. It offers just the right amount of lightness, flexibility and ease to hold for extended use. You don't feel anything. Amazing. So lightweight. Now let's see the buttons. Obviously we have the right and left button. Very smooth and quiet clicks. You have multiple ways of scrolling. The thumb scroll wheel, conveniently located on the side, also serves as a horizontal scroller. The tilt wheel, in addition to standard up and down scrolling, the middle wheel offers two additional dimensions of navigation. Tilt it right or left for precise, and click. Left, right. Additional, the middle wheel equipped with two scrolling modes. To change between the two modes, we have the wheel mode shift. In the standard middle wheel mode, scroll with high precision at each notch of tasks. While switching to the infinite scroll wheel, it feels quiet, smooth and super fast. There is no friction. I like it. So it is your choice how you want to use it. I like more with a sound. And of course here we have the backward and forward button with LED indicator. The M6 has the strongest mouse sensor chip, PixArt 3395, with up to 26,000 dpi and up to 650 IPS. Whether for work or gaming, it offers an unparalleled experience. Let's remove the stickers. We can see everything in the mouse is white, Same at the cable, adapters, the same goes if you choose the black. At the bottom we have these pads. Nice scrolling, I like that. One switch with reposition, with 2.4 GHz frequency wireless connectivity. We can see and the LEDs are on. The M6 gives you extremely low latency and quick response for gaming and the office. And here we have the button for the DPI. Starting with a white 400 dpi, green light 800 dpi, blue light 1600 dpi, orange 3200 dpi, and red 5000 dpi, the maximum. And here we have the report rate button. White color 125 Hz, blue color 500 Hz, and red light 1000 Hz. It works only on a wired and 2.4 GHz mode. And of course at the middle you can switch it off, or you can choose 5.1 Bluetooth connection. You have three options to connect: 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, or wire it. On Bluetooth connectivity you can choose again the DPI, but not the report rate. And on Bluetooth mode you can connect three devices simultaneously, and with one button you can choose first, second, or third device. So let's do that. To enable Bluetooth pairing, press the left and the forward button for 4 seconds. And there it is, Keychron M6. Pair it. So there's the mouse connected to my smartphone. And on the iPhone, that was Android, we need to switch position second. And again press the left and forward button simultaneously for 4 seconds. Keychron M6. Pair. Connected. And next, third position, I will connect that to my PC. And right now it's working on my PC. Third device, with one press of a button on my Android smartphone. There it is. Or you can choose your iPhone, or again PC. And with the Keychron Engine software you can personalize it even further, customizing keys, setting shortcuts, and even creating your own macros. At the main screen we can see the mouse, the battery percentage, 2.4 GHz mode, mouse button function. You can choose one of these buttons. Mouse features: left, right, middle click, forward, backward, double click, scroll up, down, left, right, scrolling left, right. You can choose one of these functions for each of these keys. Sensitivity. You can remap all the buttons. Even you can create macro. I will show you. Pointer settings: DPI sensitivity 400, 800, 1600, 3200 and 5000, and you can adjust maximum 26,000. Report rate 125, 500 or 1000 Hz. Macro, new, duplicate or delete, start recording, and you have the options to record. Stop recording, insert, delete, new, import or export. Settings, mouse settings, lift of distance, sensor performance, scroll direction setting, debounce time, key pairing setting, and we have the Windows system settings, mouse speed, scroll speed, double click speed. The programmable buttons can be customized using the Keychron software, allowing users to set macros, shortcuts, or specific functions to suit their workflow. Great for office work, multitasking, and general productivity, especially when paired with Keychron keyboards. Provides smooth and accurate tracking on a variety of surfaces. Ideal for professionals and students who need a reliable mouse on the go. Perfect for those switching between operating systems and devices frequently, such as laptops, desktops, and tablets. Lightweight, portable and ergonomic design ensures comfort and ease of transport. Fits seamlessly into modern workspaces, whether professional or casual. The Keychron M6 wireless mouse is a thoughtfully designed tool that balances style, performance, and portability. Its multiple connectivity, ergonomic design, and customizability make it a strong contender for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile wireless mouse for work or casual use. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews, tips, and setup ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay productive, stay inspired, and I'll catch you in the next video.